The other thing that China has done is they have captured more than 51% of the mining capacity on the Bitcoin blockchain, which means that the very first Internet of Money, which was the Bitcoin blockchain about 10 years ago, is now essentially owned by China. So as a country, we now face a geostrategic competitiveness issue, which is, do we in the United States want to own Internet 2.0 in the same way that we own Internet 1.0?
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe if you do like what you're listening to. Please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that everything is planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books Crypto Teacher and the New World Order book. Remember, guys, those books are mandatory. Also, those who've donated to the Cash App, Patreon, much love. Keep it coming. And then also those who are shopping at the stores, guys, much love. Now, of course, guys, we're going to get into Bitcoin and cryptos first, which we had a wild ride last night. So, guys, we had Bitcoin hit about 18.5, and then you saw the sell orders. So, guys, we know who runs the game, the Fed, plain and simple. We know what it is. We saw volume spike up. We saw the stable coins go over the dollar. We saw Xrp correct a little bit. Guys, make sure you are staying focused on the fundamentals. The fact is that Tether got more money. We saw USDC's volume almost triple. So, guys, we see what they're doing, how they're doing. As long as you stay focused on the fundamentals, you know where the actual market is headed. Now, guys, you know we're going to be on a roller coaster for about 4 days. So we know Bakkt is here. Remember, Bakkt is saying they're breaking records. CME says they're breaking records. So we know this time period is here. So that's why I said it's very, very important, guys. We focus on the fundamentals. Now, we have Bitcoin ETP volume surge over 50%. Just like I stated with actual CME Group open interest is at its record high, 976 million. So, guys, we keep hitting these records. Remember, these Bitcoin futures contracts expire. So we saw what the Fed did last month. Of course, they put the pressure on BitMEX. We saw those futures act irregular. So we'll check out this month and see what goes on. But now we know exactly what to look at. So therefore, we can position ourselves. But let's get into the actual crypto news. We had Dubai investment firms staking 10 million to get ready for the Ethereum, of course, 2.0 launch. Now, the mainnet launching is supposed to be December 1st, but we know it can always be pushed back. And of course, guys, we're going to see whether this fixes the scaling issue. If it does, game is over. Sky's the limit. Now, of course, guys, we have Zcash first halving today, and we also had Nasdaq speak about it, guys. We also know that JP Morgan is using the Zcash technology, which is part of Z-Snarks. So, guys, we know this is going to be a bigger player down the road. Now, we also have Grayscale crypto assets hit 10 billion. Now, we have Brian Brooks gets nod from President Trump for 5-year term. We know he's part of the New World Order, guys. We know that's Steve Mnuchin's buddy. Of course, Steve Mnuchin most likely will be out working behind the scenes, probably with Brian Brooks. Now, we have Bitcoin passes NVIDIA's market cap. Guys, we see it blasting off right now, but definitely I see a pullback. So that's why I said make sure we are focused on the indicators. Now, we have Fireblocks adds Coinbase co-founder to the board of directors. We also have the Mexican second richest man reveals 10% of assets in Bitcoin. Guys, do I believe that? No. We have too many people coming out saying that they own a piece of Bitcoin. It's too much. And majority of billionaires are not telling you what they actually own. So a lot of this, guys, I don't believe in. Now, we have Lukka teams up with financial giant IHS Markit to give crypto data into Wall Street. And who else is doing that, guys? That's right. Bakkt. Bakkt gives the information over to who? That's right, Bitcoin Lightning. So, guys, we definitely see all this coming together. The legacy markets going to be tokenized. Now, we have good old Jamie Dimon says that basically Bitcoin is still not his cup of tea, but we all know he was buying it when he was telling people it's garbage. We have a $29 billion asset advisory is giving wealth managers access to Bitcoin. And guys, we see more of these funds are being directed to Bitcoin. Also, pensions are being directed to Bitcoin and also the digital phase. So this is nothing but a part of moving us over to this digital economy. So I just want to make sure we understand this. It's not just the money, it's the whole economy that's going to be moved over digital. That's the reason why that's all the messages that you keep hearing is that Bitcoin is the new gold, because they want people access to Bitcoin to get rid of gold, and we get into this digital phase. Remember, guys, gold is physical. That's God's money. They don't want you to have anything physical anymore. Don't forget that. Now we have the Vietnamese government to put student records on public blockchain. So guys, remember, everything is going to be on blockchain, especially with Ethereum, smart contracts, all your real estate deeds, all that is going to be there. Now guys, getting over into the big news, we have Tencent joins forces with ShareRing to launch blockchain digital ID platform. And guys, just like I said, with this C word, this is pushing in a digital identity. Just like I stated, guys, they don't want you to have anything physical. And guys, with this C word, they have fooled the world, plain and simple. And this is the last topic that I'm going to speak on, is the NFL Pro Bowl will be virtually, guys, with the Madden game. Not a physical game, guys, virtually. So guys, if you can't open your eyes up to see what's going on, turn your televisions off. Stop watching the basketball, football, baseball. I did this in a video. I stated that these players are going to be replaced by the gamers. In my comments, everybody said, no, emails, no, it never happened. We see it right now. We're talking about one of the biggest stages ever, guys. The NFL Pro Bowl, guys. This is the NFL Pro Bowl. They're telling you, no, we're not going to have a physical game. This is going to be virtual. So, guys, we have to tell our friends and family, hey, look, wake up. We all going to be a part of this. Now, I do have to admit, I have seen when I go online, more and more people are waking up, especially to the vaccine. More and more people are waking up. So, guys, we definitely have to keep pushing the message. Please keep sharing the videos. But that's all I have for you. Don't forget about the books, Cryptoteacher, NWO book. Also, if you're new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance, the links are below. Also, your stocks, guys. Don't forget about the stock channel. You have your Cobalt, your chip stocks, your gaming, your banking. Everybody's sitting at home. Don't forget about at-home stocks. The C word, the biotech stocks. Don't forget they keep pumping and dumping those. Basically on the phone, they want you to be at the doctor on your phone instead of at the doctor's office. Don't forget about those stocks. And while everybody is sitting at home, getting free money or waiting on that free money, what are they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and y'all have a wonderful day.